How to delete Snapchat AI. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide on how you can delete your Snapchat AI. Now, basically, if you open up Snapchat app and here you'll get an interface like this and tap on the chat icon at the bottom of your screen, and at the very top you'll find your AI. Unfortunately, Snapchat is forcing this feature to everyone and there is no any option that you can remove it, but there are a couple of options that you can do. Simply tap and hold on your chat of the AI and here you'll see the various options popping up. And if you head into manage principal, you'll see there is no any option to delete them or remove them or block them. However, if you tap and hold again and then head into chat settings, you'll find the option message notifications. Now this will basically be enabled. What you want to do is disable this, make sure it's turned off, so this way they'll be turned off. And the other thing you want to make sure is you do not want to interact with them. If you don't interact with your AI, it will basically not interact back with you or interact with you on its own. So don't interact with them, and this way they'll just be there on chat, but it won't cause much of a hindrance to you. So this way you can delete Snapchat AI. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.